What's up? So yeah, that is our little town on the 4th of July. This place is one of only a handful of towns that still allow shooting off fireworks.
People come in from everywhere.
Yeah, and it's every year without fail, and we've been here 27 years, I think, something like that. And every year without fail, there's an upstart councilman that shows up at the next board meeting and says, we need to make fireworks illegal. Every year without fail. And it's always one of the new guys. And then somebody pulls him aside and says, we kind of make a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's a money maker for this little town. I'm cheerleaders, the high school band, the churches, the football team, wrestling team. Everybody has a fireworks stand out here. Not to mention the big building that's only open for 20 days a year at the other end of town that sells fireworks.
Which is Fireworks City, USA.
Yep. And that's actually the name of the town that it resides in. And I mean, the businesses around here, all the fast food joints, the Walmarts, the convenience stores, they all make money on the 4th of July because people's got to eat, people's got to drink.
And one thing they've just recently figured out is that people who sell fireworks are now required to clean a portion of the park. Did I tell you that?
No, I didn't know that.
It's pretty cool. So the next morning they have to get up and go out and clean a portion of the park. And then we've got volunteers that do it too, because sadly the people that come from out of town don't really often care about the town.
No, yeah, they don't care to clean up.
Right.
It was...
Sorry.
It was, it was funny because I went to work on the 5th, the morning after, and the city streets in our neighborhood were just covered with firework debris. And then when I came home from work about 4 hours later, they were clean. That's just how we roll out here. But anyway, we had to come up here because the Togo...
Did you get it or did you hit this?
I don't know. Did I get it? Did I get it?
There, now you got it.
Okay. Did I make you dizzy? Good. The Togo came in. It took right about a week from when I ordered it.
And I'm excited, but he's going to drill a hole in the top of my camper, and I'm terrified about that part.
Yeah, that's why I'm here, to buy a drill bit to put a hole in the camper.
I don't even like the little bitty holes in the wall for keys and stuff. So.
I'm gonna have fun.
Oh, it is muted. Stop it! Recording. I'm glad somebody thinks you're funny. It's you.
Got the antenna installed.
Hasn't rained yet, so I don't know if the camper is going to leak.
It's not gonna leak. I'm a professional.
No, really.
It was actually easy. The hardest part about the installation was the wonky app that you have to use to set it up for Wi-Fi or 4G, hook up to another network, whatever. That app needs to be worked on, but no, it was easy.
Good. I stayed away. I did not want to hear it. I didn't want to see it.
It's all good.
Something about putting a hole in the roof of your camper that was brand new when you bought it.
It was an ugly hole too.
It was not. Shut up.
We do get to go camping this weekend.
Yeah.
I checked our schedule with our scheduling coordinator that's in from China.
Yeah.
And so we have this one weekend free this month. So I made reservations at a state park that we have not been to. So we'll be heading out this weekend to go there.
Where's there?
I ain't gonna tell you.
Really? I don't
There's
have
water.
to go.
There's water.
Okay, I'll go.
Okay. Then after that, after our run of birthday parties,
And playing with the babies.
we get to go to the East Coast. And I'm working on planning that out. I know it's like just a few weeks away and I'm working on planning it out. I actually have our stay at Shenandoah National Park and our stay at Chincoteague lined out. This is going to be kind of a KOA trip. When we take these trips, sometimes we stay at oddball places, and because I do a lot of research and figure out where to stay, and then sometimes the planner gets lazy.
You've been working like 7 days a week. That might have something to do with it.
Yeah, that might have. So we'll be, I think every spot on the way out there is probably going to be a KOA.
And he likes to, so that you're not like, well, why don't you help him out? He likes to plan. I like to just sit there and be like, oh, where are we now?
For any of you who ever played online RPGs, massive online RPGs, there's a term called auto-follow.
I auto-follow in real
That's
life.
what she does.
IRL, I auto-follow. And I like it.
But maybe I'll go into some of the details on how I plan one of these days, but trying to keep this somewhat brief. I did finally finish editing and putting together the last of the walkthrough videos for 2019.
Ooh. That means we need to walk through some more.
Yeah, I think September is when the new season really starts to kick into full gear with RV shows. But this gives me a couple of months to focus more on my editing skills with the other videos that I really need to sharpen up. And more time leaves me more time for actually editing those videos, putting them together. So hopefully that will improve the quality of them. But that's what's up.
That's what's up.
We'll
Got a lot done actually this week. The kids over, celebrated the 4th. They got that thing installed.
Yeah.
You actually took like 2 days off. No, 1 day.
2 days.
2 days.
Yeah,
Wow.
I had 2 days in a row off.
I like it.
But that's what's up. So you're waiting for me to say it, ain't you? What's up?
No, I was going, please don't say it, please don't say it, please don't say it.
Got 2 more Colorado videos coming out, and then likely an install video for this
Togo?
this Togo that I just put on the RV. Even though it's a very simple install, it might be helpful to somebody, but that's what's coming up. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. She doesn't. I do.
I enjoy it.
We'll catch y'all down the trail.
Goodbye.